The wire form, an extremely common component found in a wide array of consumer products. In fact, most of you are holding one in your hand right now. Most smartphones on the market have some type of wire form inside them. Today, join us at Cook Spring for a look into how we make some of our precision wire forms. Unlike traditional springs, which have a coiled shape designed to store and release energy, wire forms tend to lay flat and can be bent into virtually any configuration to meet specific functional requirements, making them more versatile in their applications. Like every spring made here, we pick the specified material from our climate-controlled storage facility and deliver it to the operator to begin production. The machine we'll be looking at today is the ITEA MX20, an exceptionally capable coiler when paired with a skilled operator. Let's take a closer look. Once the material is loaded, it is fed through the initial wire sensor and into the body of the machine. From here, the material is wound around the cast wheel and through a set of wire straighteners. Both tools rotate in unison by a belt-driven motor. Now we move to the initial and final wire guides, which direct the wire to the face of the machine and into the rotational quill. Once the wire is extruded, a set of tools direct its orientation, forming its bends. On the bottom of the face, we have two spinners helping create the curvature of the wire form. Directly below these, we have a radius tool. For this application, it's used to finish the hooks on the beginning and ends of the part. Moving over to the right, we have a custom tool built in-house. Every job is unique and requires an equally unique setup. Having over half a century of technical knowledge, our operators hand-make coiling points for jobs that off-the-shelf tools may not support. Lastly, we have a cutting tool, which executes a cut, delivering the finished part to an oven where it is heat-treated to customer specifications. Once completed, they receive a thorough cleaning through the use of ultrasonic passivation, ensuring that your parts are debris-free upon arrival. And that's how we make some of the precision wire forms used in your medical, industrial, and aerospace applications. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more insight into the world of precision spring manufacturing. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, when precision matters, Cook delivers.